Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class we do some practice programs in Python. In our previous classes we have done many of the practice examples. Please follow our playlist from the beginning so that you will have a better understanding. So the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, the example which we consider here is array second largest element. Given a list of elements, out of those list of elements we have to identify the second largest element. That is what we have to identify. In this class we discuss about how to identify this logic using the Python inbuilt methods that are present in the list, but it is not efficient. Writing code for this problem is very easy in Python, but it is not efficient. Why it is not efficient, that we will try to understand, and we will discuss the logic without using the inbuilt methods also. Sometimes in placements they will try to ask you, don't use any inbuilt methods, write the logic without using inbuilt methods. The reason why they will ask like that you will understand in this class. We will discuss about the time complexity also. So you will understand this. Write the logic on your own, then check for the solution. Coming to the solution part, given array elements, identify second largest element. This is what our question is. Here we are having two options. Let's take an input. Input can take duplicate elements. Duplicate elements can be considered as the second largest element. If this is the case, 8, 1, 8, 5, 4. This is our example. Here the first largest element is 8. And we had a duplicate of 8. What's the second largest element? Then 8 is considered as the second largest element. If this is the case, then 8 is the answer. If this is not the case, second logic is if duplicate elements are not considered as the second largest element, then our output is 5. So we have to write logic for both of them. Okay, we will discuss logic only for the first one. If duplicate elements are considered as the second largest element, you try to write the logic on your own for the second one, if duplicate elements are not considered as the second largest element. So coming to the Python, what's the logic to identify the second largest element? If you take this set of elements, list of elements, we had a method called sort method. If you sort the elements 1, 4, 5, 8, 8, what is the second one? This position element will be the second largest element. Whatever it is there at this position, -2 position, print -2 position element. That is what we have to do. It's very simple, single line of code. Sort the element, but this is not efficient code. Why it is not efficient code? In order to sort the elements of the given list, if n elements are there, it will take n log n time. If you use merge sort, if you use quick sort, any sorting, it will take n log n time. But if you write without using this sort inbuilt method, it will take only n time of n. If you don't know what's this n log n time, n elements are there, the time taken for the program to execute is n seconds. Assume that. N log n means if n elements are there, the time taken to execute this program, this sorting program is n log n time, n log n seconds. So which one is efficient? If you use the sorting method, it will take n log n. If you don't use the sorting method and if you write the logic on your own, it will take only time of n seconds. Which one is smallest? N seconds is the smallest. That's why without using the inbuilt method, it will be efficient. That's why in placement some of the times they will ask you, write the program without using the inbuilt methods. So it's during the practice time, it's the best way to practice both the situations, using the methods without using the methods. That's the best practice. So this is our logic for the first question, first logic. Coming to the second logic, logic 2, eliminate duplicates. So if you don't want to consider this as the second largest element, we have to eliminate the duplicates. Eliminate duplicates and then sort the elements. If you eliminate the duplicates, 1, 4, 5, 8, display the second one. How to eliminate the duplicates? It's very simple. If you convert this list into set, it will eliminate the duplicates, then convert again into list, then apply the sorting logic and display the second largest element. So it's very simple in Python. Let's check the code. N is equal to input, n means a number of elements, print enter elements, list 1, we are taking elements in a list, list dot append of, we are taking the input, this logic is taking the input, list 1 dot sort of, after sorting the elements we are displaying the list 1 of -2. minus 2 position element is going to display. That is the second largest element. In the second case, we have to convert this into set. Find the second largest element if duplicates are not allowed to take as the second largest element. Take the input elements, remove duplicates is equal to set of list 1. After removed, we are converting again into list. After removed dot sort of, if length of after removed duplicates greater than 1. Why we have applied this condition? If all the elements are 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. If you eliminate the duplicates, there will be only one element. There is no second largest element. So in that situation, that's why we have applied this logic. So this is how we write the code in using the inbuilt methods. Coming to the logic without using the inbuilt methods, it's it's little bit difficult, and we will explain you the first case. You try to do on your own the second case. That is what you have to do for better practice. Coming to the solution, to the logic part, let's take an example and understand what's the logic we are applying here. This is the logic which we considered. You can write in a different way also. So we are taking it as the first two elements 8 and 6. What is the biggest element in this? 8. So the largest is considered as 8, and the second largest, S largest means second largest, is considered as 6. So check the first two numbers, assign the largest and second largest. So the input element should be at least 2 digits, at least 2 numbers. Okay, that's the condition. More than 2 numbers or at least 2 numbers should be there in the elements. 8 and 6 are the largest. If both the elements are same, 8, 8, both are equal. 8 is the largest element, second largest is also 8. So once we identify the largest and second largest, our logic starts from here. Means from third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth, seventh element. On this we will apply the logic. We will loop on these elements. So what happens here? Take the first element. See here, 11 is the first element which we are considering in the loop. If the 11 is greater than, what is the largest number? 8. If it is greater than largest number greater than largest, what will happen? S largest is equal to largest, means second largest is 8 now, and largest is equal to num. So largest is equal to 11, second largest is equal to 8. So largest is equal to 11, largest is equal to 11, and the second largest is 8. Okay. See, take the next element, 9. If the number 9 is, what is the largest element now? It is not greater than largest element. If it is, the second condition is else if number greater than second largest, and number less than or equal to largest, means if the number is between the largest and the second largest, less than or equal to largest, then the logic is S largest is equal to num. We have to update only second largest element because it is less than or equal to largest value. No need to update the largest value. So these are the two conditions. That's it. It's very simple. But the identifying this logic will take time. That is what you have to work on it. You take different examples. If something happened, what we have to update. If something else happened, what we have to update. That is how you have to work on it. Okay, coming to the coding part, that's the same coding, and we are taking the input should be greater than 2, at least 2 elements should be there. Print enter elements, list 1 is equal to, we are taking a list to take the elements. Here we are not applying array, we can take numpy arrays also. So list dot append, we are appending if list 1 of 0 greater than list 1 of 1, we are updating the largest and second largest. This is our logic for j in range of 2 to n, from second index to nth position we are taking it. If list 1 of j greater than largest, second largest, whatever the logic which we discussed, the same logic we applied here. Check the output, 8, 6, 11, 9, 1, 5, 12. These are the elements, 7 elements. What is the second largest? 11 is the second largest. So that's the output. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.